Williams, and as Chief Innovation Officer for Houston Metro, I know we're all traveling uncharted territory as technology is changing our lives every day.
We're working hard to integrate smart solutions to keep you moving and communicating. We partnered with Microsoft for a 6-month pilot program to provide Wi-Fi service on some bus routes.
Caution, Metro Rail approaching.
Bluetooth signals an approaching train and gives you a personal trip guide through the Metro Trip app with My Stop technology. It links your smartphone to more than 9,000 bus stops and rail platforms. A map shows your location and how to get to your destination. A vibrating phone lets you know you've arrived.
Thank you.
It might not be the final frontier, but the future is electric. We've taken battery electric buses for a test run to see how they might fit into our fleet, further helping reduce greenhouse gases. Metro's also bringing you Houston's first and only autonomous vehicle shuttle. We're working with TSU for the on-campus service. It could later connect to light rail, a transit center, and maybe someday city streets and HOVs. We're all about driving change, but our commitment to serving you will always be the same. Help us celebrate our first 40 years.